We go to the third example. Now the third example, as you can see, is like a stretched version and somewhat moved to the right. So let us investigate the points again. Remember, we're doing the point system to be able to identify where movements have occurred, and from there we could make our own hypothesis or our own conclusion to be exactly correct. So we have f of x, and we also have the g of x here. So let's investigate f of x first. This is our f of x. The first one still 3, 1. The second one still 1, 3, or negative 3, 1. The first pair, and then this is 1, 3, and then the third one is 4, negative 2, 4, negative 2. Now let's go to the g of x. Our g of x, the first pair of points is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6, negative 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6, negative 6, negative 6. The second point is on 1, 2. It's in 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, negative 4. And our third pair of points is actually in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the y coordinate. So negative 9. Now let us take a look at how the things have gone for the x coordinates and the y coordinates. Now let us take a look. Obviously, our x coordinates now have changed from f of x to g of x. So from negative 3 it became negative 6. From 1 it became 2. And from 4 it became 8. Notice there is a factor of 2. So this is multiplied by 2. Every single x coordinate is multiplied by 2 for g of x. Now for the y coordinate, we have from 1 it became, I want another color. Okay, from 1 it became negative 6. From 3 it became negative 4. And from negative 2 it became negative 9. So if we take a look closely, there is a dilation on the x, and we have a translation on the y. By what factor? This is translated by a factor of 7 downward. So it's negative 7. Negative 7. This is negative 7 also. So if our equation is, if our original function is f of x, then our g of x could be summed up into transform f of x. We have g of x is equal to a translation, a vertical translation, which is by negative 7 or 7 down. So we have negative 7 plus we also have a translation, and the translation is by a factor of 2 on the x axis, on the x coordinate. Remember, this is moved from 1 unit from the y axis, and this is moved 2 units from the y axis. So we have f of 1/2 of x. Or similarly, we have negative 7 plus f of x over 2. And therefore, we have this answer to the given graph system and illustration.